A nature area is a fantastic way to provide children with the opportunity to play and explore with exciting and stimulating natural resources. Natural resources are very tactile and encourage multi-sensory play. Many areas of the curriculum can be developed using nature play. There are clear links with literacy and the numeracy part of the curriculum. Displays can be created around the children's interests. The children in this class had been enjoying the Stickman story and had been playing with sticks of various sizes to represent the characters. The children had a developing interest in pumpkins, and this was being explored to identify future learning. The children are involved in gathering the natural resources from areas around the nursery. This ensures the learning is relevant. This display was created around the children's interest in planting that occurred at springtime. This wooden sorting box is filled with beautiful, natural resources that have interesting and varied textures. This simple unit houses all of the natural resources for the area. It is vital that everything has its place and that the resources are kept organised so the children can interact appropriately with them. Containers should be eclectic and encourage participation. Tidying the area involves sorting and classifying. These children are creating beautiful, transient art pictures. They have chosen to use the tweezers to pick up the small objects, adding in a fine motor control challenge. The emphasis is on the process rather than on the finished product. Photographs are taken to record the children's achievements. The children can keep these pictures and they can be used to form part of an assessment. This activity has a lovely therapeutic quality. The little girl and the practitioner spent ages weaving and chatting. This multi-sensory activity involved fine motor control and counting and was initially instigated by the little boy. The smell drew in passers-by. Here we can see an exploration of a square with carefully selected glass pebbles in a single colour. Children are free to use these resources in any way they choose, ensuring that the learning is open-ended and relevant to individual children.